The Motorola Moto X30 Pro, also known globally as the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, is a flagship smartphone that was first released in August 2022. It stands out as one of the first smartphones to feature a 200 MP camera, setting a new benchmark in mobile photography. Camera system, rear cameras, 200 MP wide. ERI captures ultra-high-resolution images with exceptional detail. 50 MP ultra-wide, offers expansive field-of-view shots. 12 MP telephoto, enables 2x optical zoom for detailed close-ups. Front camera, 60 MP, delivers sharp and vibrant selfies. The camera system supports advanced features like 120 FPS, 240 FPS, and 960 FPS slow-motion video recording. Performance battery, processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon, 8 Plus Gen 1, or RAM, up to 12 GB, storage, up to 512 GB, display 6.7-inch OLED, 144 Hz refresh rate, battery 610 mAh with 125W wired charging, fully charges in approximately 20 minutes. Users have reported excellent performance with smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. However, some have noted that the device can heat up during intensive tasks. Software global availability. Initially, the Moto X30 Pro was available only in China. The global version, known as the Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, was later released in various markets. The Chinese variant supports Google Play services, but some users have experienced issues with Google Pay due to bootloader restrictions. Pricing availability. China version, approximately $827 USD for the 12 GB RAM 512 GB storage variant. Global version. Prices vary by region and retailer. Availability may differ based on your location, and it's advisable to check with local retailers or online platforms for current pricing and stock. The Motorola Moto X30 Pro offers cutting-edge features, especially in its camera capabilities and fast-charging technology. It's a compelling choice for users seeking high-end specifications and performance. However, potential buyers should consider software compatibility and warranty aspects, particularly when purchasing the Chinese version.